Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to check if you have available software update. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left a few times to find settings. So the settings are with the GLB logo, the car logo. Let's just tap it. And as you can see, here you can navigate by using the upper bar. Let's select from Assistance to System, the fourth tab. Under System, you can navigate by using the left menu. Choose here the software update. And basically that's it. You can check if you have here available updates. In my case, no update available. You can also use the settings button here and set the update automatically, so the car will automatically update your software if there is any available software to download and install, or you can use it only after confirmation. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.